Hello there and welcome to another OIT QuickTip. I'm Zach Peterson. Thanks for joining me. And today what I'd like to go over with you very briefly is how to log off and onto your AudioCodes telephone that is on your desk. Now you may be needing to do this because you have recently changed your password or you've moved offices, something like that. And so we'll go ahead and go over how to go through the process of logging on and off of the phone. Now, a good indicator that you will need to update the password on your phone is when you get a indicator like this on the phone of your screen saying that your password is incorrect. And that it will still allow you to make phone calls, but a lot of other features may not work properly. So here's how to actually sign off and then sign back on with your new password. First off, you will go to the status button on your AudioCodes phone. So you'll press the button there on the lower right of the screen. And once you do that, you'll be given the option to sign out. So you'll press that sign out button there, and after a few seconds it should log out your account, and then it will give you the option to sign back in. And once you press that button, you'll be given a few other options, and I'll show you which one to select here. So I'll go to sign in, and I'm going to arrow down to the web login option and then hit the select or OK button. And you'll be presented with a list with a URL as well as a code ID. Don't worry about that URL, but make note of that code ID that's on your phone. It will be randomly generated. And once you've made note of that, you want to go over to your computer and log on to smu.edu/phone setup, and you'll go to a screen that looks like this, and you'll enter that code ID that you got from your phone. And for the sign-in address and username, just go ahead and click or enter your SMU email address and then your SMU password where you prompted there. And then once you filled all that in, go ahead and click the play button there, and it will send the credentials over to your phone, and then it'll take about a minute or so. It will register your phone and then also get all of your presets moved over, and then you are all signed into the phone. And of course, this will be needed to be done about once a year at least, just because we change our passwords once a year. But also, again, if you are moving offices or something like that, this process you'll need to do at least the sign-in part in order to get your phone working the way that you need it to. And so once that's all set up, you're good to go for another year. And if you do have any issues or anything that comes up during this process, feel free to give the IT help desk a call or an email to help@smu.edu or 214-768-4357.